Alright, welcome to my channel. This is Locksport. What I'm working on today is this Mindy top security 70mm padlock. It is a type of, I believe, slider or wafer, whichever one you ever want to call it. So, it did take a little bit of time for me to figure out what was going on, but now that I kind of know what's going on, hopefully I can get it picked in a reasonable amount of time. So first thing I'm going to do is go in with a probe. I'm going to push all the wafers to the left and right, and I'm actually kind of rotating it, actually pushing the little bit of the slider that interacts with the key just towards the center, and I'm going to keep doing this for a second until they stay. I don't know if you can see that little side there. That needs to stay in before I go to the next part. So, alright, well, all but one. Let's see. Maybe the one from this side. Yep. I felt a little bit of a click there. Alright, let's see if it's ready. So I'm just going to go in with a short or low hook, and I'm just going to grab the center little part, and really I'm just going in there kind of pushing on them, see if anything wants to click or bind. That was not a click, that was me slipping off. Alright, so I don't think I've got everything quite ready yet. So, I'll tell you what, to help me out here, I'm going to use a second probe. So first I'm just going to go in, put these two probes on the sides, then apply tension, and hopefully I can work all those sliders to the outside, and now I'm going to do what I was doing on the go. Try this probe, see if it does any better. Yeah, it felt like it did. Oops, I dropped something there. So, alright, I just felt a rotation on the core, so I'm thinking we're close. So now let me go in with a low hook and just try to push on each of the wafers or sliders. Not feeling dope. I was gonna say I was not feeling any feedback, but it was just a matter of getting it. So it is unlocked. Alright. So that is the Mindy top security padlock. Alright. Thanks for watching.